G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend, and today I'm making a healthy aioli recipe. This is my spicy raw cashew and rosemary aioli. That's a bit of a long one. It's gonna taste delicious. Today I'm using the Vitamix Explorian E310 blender. This is a great little blender for home use. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna add 150 mils of filtered water. I'm gonna add 1 cup of soaked cashews. They've been soaking overnight. You don't have to soak them, it's entirely up to you. In they go. And I've got some beautiful flavors here. I've got 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and that goes. I've got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, beautiful flavor. I've also got 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Absolutely delicious, give it a real zing. I'm also gonna put in 1 teaspoon of beautiful fresh olive oil, and that goes. I've also got 1 teaspoon of seeded mustard, a nice little kick. 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. This is like a vegan cheese. It's gonna cream it up nicely. And I've got 1 lemon. I'm gonna squeeze that. I've taken the seeds out of there. Doesn't matter if you get a seed in there though, it's just gonna blend it up. I'm gonna put in 1 slice of chili. So depending on how hot you like it, just gonna put in that good chunk of chili there. That's a bird's eye chili, that's quite a spicy chili. It's gonna give it a really good kick. I've got some rosemary. I've got 2 sprigs of rosemary here. I'm not putting the stem in, okay? I'm taking the leaves off the stem. And I've got some salt, give it some flavor. Good crack of rock salt in there. I think that looks pretty good. That's gonna be absolutely delicious. Make sure that's locked in place. And I'm gonna use the tamper. I'm gonna start that on slow speed, turn it on, and we're gonna increase that up to speed 10, up onto high speed for about 30 to 45 seconds. See how we go. All right, let's go. All right, that is it. We've let that run, probably let that run for about 45 seconds up on high speed. And I added a few more cashews in through the lid as it was blending, just to cream it up a little bit more. Okay, so just add as many nuts in there as required. Look at that, I've got this beautiful, thick consistency here. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely amazing, beautiful fresh aioli. That's gonna go beautiful with your sweet potato chips or on a sandwich. Absolutely beautiful. I've got nothing to try that with, so I'm going to use my little finger. Really nice. Get that kick of the chili, the fresh lemon, the rosemary, really delicious. Definitely try this one at home. Happy blending.